Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the ZK Sync ID token. Ticker symbol is ZKID. Now this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting today, August 11th. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token is being listed today, August 11th at 15 hours UTC time on a very big central exchange called MEXC Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an MEXC Global account, I do have an MEXC referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that MEXC Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search ZKID, which is the ticker symbol, and then simply just buy the token. Now this token is on the ZK Sync blockchain. Surprise, surprise. There is a total supply of 100 million ZKID tokens. So it says, in a world of Web3 and blockchain, decentralized digital identity and secure login systems are essential to ensure the integrity of digital transactions. At ZK Sync ID, we aim to provide a decentralized digital identity and login system that utilizes the benefits of ZK Rollup to provide secure, scalable, and efficient transactions. ZK Sync ID platform supports ZK Sync Era. With our in-house marketplace, users can trade unique collectible IDs, adding a new level of value to their digital identities. By leveraging the power of ZK Sync rollups, we ensure fast and secure transactions while reducing the computational requirements of the Ethereum network. This enables us to provide users with a seamless and efficient digital experience with the added benefits of decentralization and transparency. We believe that the decentralized identity and login systems will play a crucial role in the evolution of Web3, and we're excited to be at the forefront of this movement. So we believe that ownership of digital identity should be forever with no expiration period on blockchain. Hence, we offer digital identities with forever validity. With addition of governance followed with more realistic and decentralized approaches, we aim to be a one-stop solution for the next era of digital identities and login systems at the ZK world. So the following provides a comprehensive list of relevant links. So you can find on their document section, if you go to docs.zksyncid.xyz, you can find a link to their webpage, which is zksyncid.xyz, their Discord, their Twitter, which I'm going to put up right here so you guys can easily find that. 3 different Telegram groups and a question or a quest board, it says. So some of the platform features is a decentralized ID, governance. They have staking pools. So governance, if you don't know, a DAO where you get voting rights on which direction the project should go in. You can vote on proposals. And they have staking pools where you could stake your tokens, obviously. Then the decentralized ID. So they have all sorts of IDs out there on Ethereum and other blockchains as well. So this is just a very popular thing. And this one is on the ZK Sync blockchain. Then they have IaaS for developers. Identity as a service solution that provides developers with the tools that they need to build custom digital identities for their platforms. So you can set custom prices for their digital identity offering, set custom text records that can be used to provide additional information or context, set custom ZK Sync ID marketplace royalties, and set custom coupons for specific expiry times. Then there's also a marketplace, and that is under development right now, so that is not available yet. And also a launch pad, just like pinksale.finance is a launch pad for new IDOs. This is going to be the same thing, or ICOs, or whatever type of launch pad this is going to be. So it says you can experience the first launch pad with a fully on-chain referral system, 100% transparent. So it's going to be decentralized ID holders get #1 priority in every sale. ZK ID token holders, whitelisted users, first come, first served users, and a referral mechanism. And you can check all that out as well. Now the tokenomics for this token, it says the fundamental principles driving the philosophy of our token are rooted in equitable treatment, active community engagement, and a commitment to sustainable expansion. Team has 0% allocated, and 100% of the token supply goes directly to the community, making it a truly decentralized protocol. In order to effectively uphold these ideals, our tokenomics model has been meticulously designed to apportion the majority of ZKID tokens to the community, thereby endowing them with the ability to actively participate in the governance of the protocol. Now the breakdown here, it says that the total supply is 100 million tokens, fully diluted valuation is 2,000 ETH, 3.7 million USD. Initial circulating supply is going to be 12.25 million, and then we got approximate initial market cap 245 ETH. Now, it's split up between different rounds of sales, like seed sale, private sale, public sale. And there's also vesting periods. And besides that, the token utilities and use cases will be used to give real yield for platform revenue to the users. The tokens will give users the right to vote on projects that can create a new DAO for their community. Users holding tokens will get priority in future launchpad sales. We are using the ZKID tokens to reward the most active community members via Zeely, and utilities such as marketplaces and a few others are disclosed. We launched our first utility on July 16th, and our second utility is currently under development, and we are tentatively planning it to release at the end of August. So there you go, that'll be coming out soon. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about the ZKID token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.